start with gold since we've got GBP news coming up in 10 minutes. Gold had a massive drop yesterday. Look at that drop. 600 and oh no, let's go to the bottom of the candle. 720 pip drop on gold yesterday. And we've opened up during Asian, made a top wick, broke yesterday's low, and we are now at a daily support, which is also the last higher low in gold's bullish structure. So we could either get a push below and definitely continue bearish, or we could hold this bullish structure, bounce off and push back up. So let's put in the daily candle opened here. We can see if this daily flips bullish or stays bearish. We opened at 2107. Right, let's look for some lower time frame levels. One sec. Got 4 hour resistance at 26.24. If we can get a pullback. Continue down. The further resistance is way up. Even a retest of this broken support, maybe 26.49. Wouldn't mind looking for that. A break and retest. If we pull back from this daily key level, which gold, once gold gets to a daily support resistance, it can push about 100 pips away. Something I've seen happen over and over again. Bounce up from a lower time frame support. So I would put here. So I'm gonna do 2607. I'll do 2606. And then look for a lower support, like a structure low, which will be down here. So 2560. If we can drop some more. And then on the 30-minute, got resistance 26.24. Yep, it's where we dropped from yesterday, or during Asian session anyway. Get a pullback. 2618. And we're going to target, first target's down here, 2580 for the sells. Not really that far away. This support down here. Let's see what happens at the first key level. Then a lower time frame support. $25.85. pullback target will be this support here, 25, let's call it 26.60 for the buyers. Right, so that's gold. Pound yen with the news incoming soon. So yesterday we pushed up from this daily support and we had a pullback towards the end of the NY session. Price started dropping. Asian session pushed up, created a top wick, didn't break yesterday's high, and now it's pushing down. Haven't broken yesterday's low. We do have news coming up in the next couple minutes. UK claimant count change, which is the jobs data. So if we break yesterday's low, I think we can push down to this support, this daily support, 196. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour support right here. So if you get a bounce off 196.80, so that's going to stay the same, not going to change that. Have a resistance 197.85. We have a 30-minute support. We're pushing up from now. $197. And then a lower time frame resistance 198. We've got a nice big range. For the sell, still looking for it to come down to this daily support. And the buys, yeah, still the top of the range. I'm going to leave those targets the same. I'll just wait for news in less than a minute. Pound yen seems to be pushing up before the news. Yes, holding this support. Oh, flipped in bearish. Not super high impact. Did have some volume. still respecting this previous low and support. So if it flips bullish, rebreaks this high, we could push up. Okay, we broke the low. Let's check what the numbers were. There's good numbers, less than expected, which is good for unemployment. Should be bullish for GBP. But yeah, not much volume. It's at 20 pips. You kind of see the real move happen about 8 when the market's open, London open. See if this support holds here. Gold is holding at this support, this daily support. See if we get a push up. Look at Bitcoin, crazy. So I left it on Bitcoin. All right, so this support is holding. So gold was pushing down for a minute. Very weak news. Yeah, this support looks like it's holding. The news is actually good for GBP. You could get a bit of reaction later. We've got 100 pip range, massive range. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Push up. DXY still pushing, which is good for gold, or gold bears. We're breaking the previous high after expecting support. I have to say, the buys are looking good on pound yen. Just keep pushing up. This is what I'm looking for on pound yen. If it holds this support. We've had quite a few bounces. Yeah, the support looks good to hold. This daily flick bullish as well. Break above yesterday's high. $198,464. yesterday's low down here. I mean, overall, I'm more bullish on pound yen. Let me look at the 4 hour. Based on this 4 hour structure, pound yen looks, you know, just bouncing off this upper trend line. I wouldn't have used this candle to get in, even though 24 pip stop loss wouldn't have been bad. But I'd rather wait for this candle to close. Getting on the next one. If this closes weak bearish, sorry, then I'll probably get in on the next candle after it makes a bottom wick, breaks this high, and then continues to push up. Because it's buying up from this support that's holding. Gold dropping. We needed some structure anyway. It's just been dropping, created a resistance to push down. $15's been kind of ranging. Had a little pullback. Oh, 15 minutes just ranging. actually get a push up from here on gold. Obviously, it's going to react to this support because it's a daily support. So it is a good level to hold price. Morning, Caswell, morning. Just waiting for pound yen to close either weak bearish so we can get buys on the next candle if this support holds. That news was super weak. Minute just wants to range. So GJ's mad bearish. Yeah, I had a big drop yesterday. Well, not massive. Let's see. If it breaks yesterday's low, then I think it will push down to this daily support. But we do have a daily support here as well. So we need to see if this area holds. See if this support holds. But look at this drop during Asian session. 96 pips. Would love for it to retrace a bit. Either come back up, retest this resistance, or just retrace a bit and then come back down. All depends if this support holds. So yeah, we'll see if this support here holds. If it breaks, I mean, we don't have a massive range. 20 pips. So I'll probably have to wait. We've got quite a few supports below. That's because of the uptrend structure. But we'll see. We'll see what happens at this first support. And we'll take it from there. Get a closure below. But like I said, this support is very close. It's only 20 pips away. So if I did get sells, I would like a retest of a broken key level. So potentially, you know, a higher resistance to sell from. Got a nice 15-minute resistance. Gold is pretty clean to the left. If GJ closes below, I'm thinking of sells. Yeah, I like sells on pound yen. I just don't like sells from here, to be honest. Just because it's selling right into a higher time frame support, which isn't far away. I mean, 20 pips is not bad. I just like more of a range. I like a bit of a bigger range. So what I do want to see is I want to see a pullback, a resistance, and then sell from that resistance a bit higher up to then break the low and push down. Yeah, that's what I want to see anyway. But if it breaks the low, then it breaks. Oh, looks like gold is dropping still. Okay, we're getting a pullback. I want to see what price does once it gets to this high time frame support. Looks like we might get that closure below, but it's pushed so far down, it's like right into this support. Gold finally hit 2600. pulled back. It's like it tapped it and pulled up. Looks like pound yen wants to hover around here. You do have these rejection wicks too. Just a minute till the candle closes. It's a serious wick. 50 pips. Pound yen could just be forming a bottom wick in this wicky area. Right, we've got the closure below. $20 pips to the next support. Yeah, I'll be honest with you, it's not really enough of a range for me. Although pound yen is very bearish, so you could break this support and keep pushing. Break yesterday's low. But I think I'd wait to see what happens once price gets to this support here. But if you want aggressive sells, once this candle makes a top wick, I wouldn't even wait till the break of the low. I'd wait for a top wick and just, yeah, candle flip in, super tight stop loss. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, it's not for me. Check on gold. Gold closure below. Should fill this wick. Keep pushing down. Gold is super bearish. One thing I do like about pound yen is when it has a nice like drop or push, that move always gets retraced. Like look, drop, retrace, drop. So I'm expecting a bit of this to get retraced. If this candle flips bearish now and then drives down, sales look good. Because it retested that broken support. Like what GJ is doing, but creating that top wick. Yeah, it's like a little break and retest. Like the sales definitely look good. Like got an entry here, that's 20 pips at the retest of support. That's one good entry. The candle flipping bearish, it's another good entry, 20 pips. But a break of this low, it's not enough range for me. It's only 10 pips. So that's the reason I'm not taking it. But like once it taps that support, that's a very good entry there. Like I said, aggressive though. Gold is dropping. See, feel the wick, break the low, keep going down. Gold is just so bearish. We already broke yesterday's low early on, Asian session. I think really we could drop down to, you know, 2560. Not just a retest, but all the way down. Pound yen looks like it wants to hold at this 197 price. Just drive down if you're gonna drive down. Come on, we're already below the support. Caswell, did you get into your GJ sales? I don't know why I didn't take these gold sales. Yeah, that's why. It's massive stop loss. This wick was just a bit too long. Go on, Goldie, go. Look at that, gold was just at 2595. Can you imagine this candle, this little wick is like 30 pips? Crazy. The way gold jerks is just, you have to get a very good entry. Nice, nice. You got the sells, okay. I think I would have preferred the gold sells, but stop loss would have been too big if I took the break of this low. We didn't get much of a top wick on this 730 candle, so couldn't have taken the candle flip either. Wonder how far gold is gonna drop today. Pound yen finally breaking the low. See what this 8 o'clock candle brings. 15 minutes. Yeah, I don't know why. I'm expecting a bounce on pound yen. I'm just expecting a bounce. Just based on the 4 hour. Still got, you know, time left on it. I just kind of expect this 4 hour to flip bullish or hold and then just push up a bit. Because this 4 hours holding this uptrend structure. But I'm not married to the buys. I just want sells from a higher price, really. Especially if the daily stays bearish. New 15-minute candle. This is a nice continuation pattern right here. Especially if we can break this low, there'll be a nice drop for pound yen. Gold, make a top wick, 15. Flip bearish, fill this wick, keep pushing. Simple. Go on Goldie, make you a 15-minute top wick. Coming in pound yen. You would never have thought there was news this morning on GJ. Oh, look at gold. It's a crazy pullback. $75 pips. 60 pips. Nuts. Wow. Gold pulled all the way back up. Is this 30-minute gonna flip bullish? Push back up into the range. You've got Asian lows right here. GJ pushing. Go on, GJ. Re-break the low. Seems we're gonna see this volume at market open, because this 7 o'clock candle's giving us nothing. Definitely doesn't seem like a news candle. I wonder if gold will push back up. Pound yen just swinging 5 pips up, 5 pips down. We finally made a bottom wick for this candle. I think we talked about that yesterday. Don't want to see pound yen close back above this support, because then this drop would have been a fake out. I was looking at buys if this candle closed weak bearish, just to retrace some of this drop and then get a better price for the sells. If the daily stayed bearish, we'll see. Got 4 minutes left, just under 5 minutes. See what price wants to do. Looks like gold wants to continue down. We still don't have a bottom wick on this 15-minute candle, so if this 15 doesn't pull back, next candle most likely will. Looks like pound yen might close back above this support. Yeah, I definitely wasn't a fan of the sells. Not from down here anyway. This is why. These rejection wicks to the left, this high time frame support right here, that 4-hour trend line that I drew, that was another reason. I had a few excuses. Gold looks like it's going to make that bottom wick on this 15. Jeez, the swings. Kind of like a breaker retest. Got this support here. Broke. Came and retested with the top of this wick. And driving back down. Now what can we do with this pound yen closure back above? What's 1 hour candle looking like? Might not even get this engulfing. Okay, close back above, but we're pushing straight down. Yeah, nothing on pound yen yet for me. Nothing on gold. Although, no, I don't like the 15-minute time frame. Not for entries anyway. But I can see this happening on gold. Like break of that low. Wherever this top wick is, if it's not too big. And then continuing to push down from here. So that's what I can see with gold. Pound yen's pushing, but still into this rejection wick area. It's an 8 o'clock top wick. Another strong push up. Alright, so we got the top wick on this 8 o'clock candle for gold. Kind of, did it break the previous high? Yeah, it did. Let's see if it flips. Need it to break this low, create a bottom wick for this 7:45 15-minute candle. Gold is giving us the most action today. Like this, I'm just not feeling this GJ rangy price action. And then these rejection wicks on the downside, just not clean. Not as it usually is anyway. Closure below, a simple closure below, this would have just ran. Okay. Kind of knew the volume would come at 8 o'clock with the market open. Now it just needs to break this high time frame support and then keep pushing. Gold push right back up. Still need a bottom wick right here. Gotta give us one goldie. Let me go get a drink quick. Market's making me thirsty. I'm getting back at 197. All right. Gold still pushing up. Broke previous high again in 30 minutes. GN still struggling to push down, but slowly but surely. Yeah, if I'd taken this entry, I think I would have been stopped out anyway. Yeah, if I took the break of the low, I wouldn't have had a 38 pip stop loss. It would have been like this candle's high, and then it obviously is pushed up anyway. Yeah, pound yen, that would have been an L for me. Gold pushing. Retest this broken support maybe? What are you thinking, Goldie? I wouldn't say it's been a quiet morning, but this price action's been a bit tricky. I would love gold sells though. Love some gold sells. I still think gold has further down to go. Definitely. Especially since we've broken this daily support. Yeah, it's a bit further down. Broke below, re-break it, fill the wick. Pound in, pushing up again. This would have had to been a very quick in and out trade, pound yen. It's that big stop loss day. It's the only way you can survive these trades. Decent size stop loss. Alright, gold, is that your break and retest? that gold and pound yen push up at the same time. Gold price goes up, pound yen price goes up. It's not even how they usually correlated. You don't like the price action this morning? Yeah, me neither, honestly. Honestly, so much volume in gold. You would have had to get a very good entry for like price, your entry not to be in and out of drawdown. Because the way it's been swinging up and down, yeah, you would have to get a very good early entry for gold to survive it. I don't even know where it would be, honestly, for it not to be in drawdown, like up here. But we've got these wicks. Yeah, gold would have been a very tricky one. Pound yen, it's kind of the same, unless you got in, you know, when it pulled down. Be in and out of drawdown too. Pound yen back above the support. Really should move this support down. Got new support here. Wonder if pound yen's gonna stay above this support now. $15 still holding at this resistance. Created a lower high. Kind of a lower low, just about. I wonder if it's going to be another rangy day like yesterday. Yesterday was very rangy. When do we start dropping? The last lower high, about 4 o'clock. Yeah, I would have been done trading by then, but when I was looking at it, it was just sideways movement. It wasn't very clear at all. Then we did get these buys. They're very short-lived. Okay, pushing up again. Good luck everyone if you're trading today, because this London session has been a cowboy session. I think for gold, this price is frozen. There we go. I think for gold, this would have been the best move once we got this closure below, but we didn't have much of a top wick. So I think this would have been the move on gold. It has been a massive stop loss. Fill the wick, keep pushing down. But that happened very quick. It would have hit break even when it pushed up again. That would have been a nice drop. 90 pips or so. When I'm unsure of the markets, I'm not taking no trades. You can never be 100% certain, but you have to trade what's familiar to you. It has to line up exactly how you remember it, what you recognize. It's the only way you can trade for your edge. Go to break and retest. I'm gonna keep dropping. Still need this bottom wick below 2597. Still gotta come for this bottom wick. This 15 could be a lower high. Did need some structure. Go on, keep coming down. want to pull back on pound yen, just a little bit more of a pullback for me to get into some sells. Nothing crazy, but just a little retracement of some of this drop, and then continue the sells down. I think we can get more of a push than these wicks here. Gold's dropping, pound yen's dropping, seems to be the theme. Two minutes till the candle closes. Another closure below. Weak bullish candle. Got the closure below on pound yen. Still too close to that support for me, but a good look for the sells. Good look for continuing the sells down. Yeah. Gold driving down too. Got the lower high formed. Should push down, break this support, keep going. You know, maintain this downtrend structure on the 15, on every time frame really. Pound yen, no top wick. I don't think gold had a top wick either, so that's got to make one. Yeah. There we go, give us that top wick. Oh, not yet. Has to be at above 196,987 for the top wick. So 199 at least. 196.99. Maybe retest that broken support again. Continue to drive down. Top wick. Yep, retest that support, push down. Go on, Goldie. Drop. Re-break that low, push down some more. Perfect. Not perfect. Anyone catch any wins today? Hope someone's had a better session than I have. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything this morning. And London hasn't been without moves, just not anything I could have taken. Like I said, the gold trade, this one would have been nice if you had a better top wick. Obviously, price is very bullish, so would have anticipated that this candle was going to fill this wick, but it just didn't give me much of a top wick for those sells. Yeah, would have pushed down like 100 pips and then probably hit my stop loss at break even after securing some when we had this pullback at 8 o'clock. Pound yen, I think I definitely would have hit my stop loss with pound yen. We had this initial closure below, we did break the low just about, but then we had this pullback which I think would have hit like the stop loss because it broke its own high. So that wouldn't have been, well, this would have probably been an L if I'd taken that. And yeah, just been very cautious, not taking anything I didn't really like the look of, which is okay. Still got NY session to come. If I don't catch anything in there, that's okay too. That's okay too. Not every day is a winning day or a losing day or a day to take trades. This is what it is. On those days, I'll just look at where I could have caught something, why I didn't take it, see if something I would take next time. On my actual broker, the gold 8 o'clock candle doesn't have a bottom wick. Really? It does on trading view. Oh, that's a Rwanda. Yeah. I see markets. There's no bottom wick on this candle for me. Cool. It's good for me. I've been here, but I'm looking for a bottom wick for this one anyway. Pound yen, back up in this range. It's been the craziest price action I've seen from pound yen post news in a while. gold sales could have been nice as well. If I like the 15-minute time frame. Here's the top of this candle. Something like this. This could have been a nice move on gold on the 50. Nice downtrend structure. It's the best stop loss you could get. And above here, 40 pips. It's like 24. Still need to make a bottom wick on this M15. Got a good distance, at least 40 pips. Took an L on GJ and closed it. Yeah, pound yen is just... I didn't like those sells at all, Caswell. I didn't like those sells. It was the wicks. It was the support right below. Yeah, there was just too much things that I didn't really like about it. And GJ's been super clean for us recently. This was not clean. Not clean at all. And we're back up here. Like, yeah, what's it trying to do? Seriously. I would love to get the sells on pound yen though. I'm not sold on the buys, but I do want a push up before it sells down. But this gold idea looks good. You would like it, Benny. This is your 15-minute time frame. I haven't actually taken this. I've just marked it up. It's kind of like paper trading. You know, I'm not a fan of this 15-minute. But I want to see how it plays out. Yeah, I'm not using the 15-minute as a confirmation, but I'm using the market structure. That's kind of how I'm looking at this trade. Because we've got the downtrend structure. We've pushed up. We've retested this broken support. So it's kind of like a break and retest. And then we've created another resistance, a lower high than this one. So I'm looking for price to, push down, make a bottom wick for this M15. And keep pushing. Looks like it's holding this 2600 area. It's a psychological level, 2600s. Might have some algorithms and robots waiting to place some orders here. Having a conversation with my brother yesterday about stop loss hunting. And I was like, as a retail trader, who's hunting your stop loss? Who's doing that? My stop loss could be a loss of like 200, 100 pounds. As a retail trader or as an institution, that's nothing. compared to the trillions made on the Forex market floating about. No one's stop loss hunting for retail traders. It's just silly. And if you believe that, you probably believe in aliens. Okay, GJ, breaking the previous high. Keep an eye on this gold paper trade. Let's make that very clear. I'm not in this trade. I didn't have this as a support because the candle hasn't closed yet. I can't say for certain, but I don't think this 8:30 candle is going to push all the way back down and flip bearish again. So I'm going to move the support here. And now there's a nice 25 pip range for pound yen. Get a closure above this resistance, most likely looking for some buys short term, but we do kind of have this, range, potentially a retest, and then continue back down if the daily stays bearish. But that's my plan. Okay, 15 minutes pushing up. This gold trade doesn't look very good. Okay, we didn't break the previous 15-minute high, so that's a good look. See if we can re-break the low and continue to push down. At the same time, pound yen, if we get this closure above, we're looking good. 6 minutes left. Oh, I'm getting hungry. I didn't eat before the stream today. I usually eat like avocado toast or egg sandwich, cup of tea. It says very English of me, the tea. Yeah, I like mint tea. I like fresh mint leaves. If I'm drinking English tea, it's probably black with some sugars, no milk. But that's like, I prefer coffee over tea. But you know, I'm still in recovery mode, so very careful about what I'm putting into my body right now, so I can have the quickest recovery. So no coffee, no crap basically. Two things could happen with pound yen. We could either close above this resistance, or we could respect this resistance and then continue the sells down. This is a rejection area. So the closure above, if we get a closure above, then yeah, the sells definitely look, the buyers look good. I would be looking out for a potential fake out. I would be looking for a potential fake out. And we're getting a push up on pound yen from like very close to a structure level, a structure point. Like, look at the 4-hour time frame. Higher high, higher low. This could be creating a higher low. So we've come down, we've kind of retested this area, and we're bouncing off of it. So this is like why I wanted the buys before I wanted the sells. I wanted to push up first before it continued down if it decided to. But the overall structure on pound yen is still bullish. Even though, you know, the daily is bearish. And as mentioned at the beginning of this stream, during the daily analysis, we are pushing up from a daily support. So all of those things to consider when you're selling like into it. You're selling into higher time frame key levels. And those are the ones that's most likely to get rejected. If it was just a 30-minute support, then I probably would have been in the sells, because those would, you know, with volume, you'd expect that support to break, but it was a higher time frame support. And I weren't trying to sell into that. You see? It was a 4-hour support. Makes sense when you really zoom out. Yeah, like, although I use like the current structure for my trades, like just based on the higher time frames and where we were, you also have to take that into consideration, and that's what I did. You know, what is holding this trade back from working? What's the bigger picture? Damn, just wanted a little fucking breakout, just a little closure above, and we're like 20 pips up. Got the closure above, got no top wick on this candle, or barely a top wick. I'm gonna get a little pullback, break of this high, continue up. Oof. Oh, I don't know, man. I need a bottom wick. I need a stop loss, because I don't want to use all the way down here. This candle flips. Stop loss would be here, but when there's a big breakout like this, I do anticipate that the broken resistance will be retested. You know what, fuck it, when this candle flips bullish, I'm gonna be in some buys. Been waiting on this. I will secure partials here. Secure. Secure partials, yeah, right there. And once this candle makes a bottom wick, then I'm going to move my stop loss up to like below the wick. But I'm not in yet. I'm going to wait for this candle to flip bullish. this trade is still hanging on for dear life. Leave that one. Alright, we're getting the pullback. Now, if it pulls back below this resistance, come out. Ooh, this could have been the trade right here. Oh, my stomach's growling. It's a lot going on now at 9 o'clock. Setups everywhere. This one would be support, resistance, and then sells at the resistance to continue down. And with volume, just push and keep going. If price pulls back up to that entry, then I'll be in this trade. And that's at 99.42. I'm not sure if it will though. I think I might have missed this one. it. Yeah, definitely missed this one. Damn it. Let's keep an eye on pound yen. do some avocado toast right now too. I don't even think I have any avocados left. I've eaten all of them. Had about 4 over the past 4 days. I'm gonna get my friend to bring me some more, actually. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. One of my boys needs to come pick something up, so I think he bought the first lot of avocados I had. He picked some really good ones. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I won't have it for breakfast, but I'll have it for lunch. Let me check gold. Gold is beautiful. Like all the way down to 22585. Gold should keep dropping. Bam. So nice. That was based on support, resistance. Alright, this resistance formed 1, 2, and then push below. Nice tight stop loss, 17 pips. Beautiful trade if you caught it. Just based on market structure and these candles. Nothing happening with the pound yen one. Don't worry, I'm watching price. It's got to get to at least 197.40 before we're close to an entry. Damn, gold. But it's clean to the left, so it's expected. I'm not sure about the pound yen. Pound yen, yeah, it's dropping a bit too much for me to get into this trade, I think. Yeah, it's come back down to this resistance, so nothing there. Pound yen. But I was looking for, like, you know, a retest. So I wouldn't be surprised if it does. If this candle closes weak bearish and then the next candle breaks the high, something like that. You know, the continuation pattern that I like. That's what I would like to see. That's if price holds above this resistance here. Then that's what I would like to see. You know, it's tap the resistance. If it pushes up, I think pound yen is good to continue up some more. Again, if I did get an entry here above the break of the high, this candle, you know, we still got like 17 minutes, then I would still look to secure partials right here. But then if the daily flips bullish, pound yen is gone. Damn, that bold was painful because that was your clear opening. Listen, I can't even be angry about it. It just, it is what it is. It is what it is. It would have been perfect. Even the paper trade, even if I was to stayed in that, but I don't trade the 15-minute. But this would have been beautiful right here. It'd have been beautiful. Looks like pound yen might flip. You know the plan for pound yen. I mean, wow, look at that. If this does flip, I think we could get the buys here still. Yeah, I'll wait for the next candle. I'll wait for the yeah, if the 15-minute breaks this high, then I'll be in some buys for pound yen. And then use like a 20 pip stop loss, depending on how far this 15-minute candle pulls back. Gold retracing. Have a buy stop here. Stop loss will be about 20 pips. This is a rare occurrence, but it's only because I can see my favorite pattern, which is that continuation pattern, strong bull candle, weak bear candle, and then the next candle breaks the high and then pushes up. Doesn't happen with this candle, I'm just gonna leave it here. I don't really like taking trades after 9:30. You guys know that. Price will just start bouncing around. It's dropping again. Pound yen is dropping again. Go on, flip bearish, flip bullish, I mean, push up. I think I'm gonna leave it here, guys. I'm too hungry. But you know the plan. If this candle doesn't break within the next 9 minutes, then I'm going to delete this buy stop. If it does break, then I'm going to use the 15-minute candle lows as stop loss. My first TP will be here, based on the 30-minute. And really, if we stay below the daily flip, if the daily stays bearish, I'm looking for sales back down to at least retest this support properly. If the daily flips bullish, then I'm looking for a push up to at least break yesterday's high and continue up. I'm not sure how much steam GJ has in it today, but that's what I'll be looking for anyway. But also looking out for what it does at these resistance levels here. That's what I'm looking for. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, guys, and good luck with the rest of the day if you're still gonna trade. See you later, Benny, Caswell, Playing Studios. Peace out. See you guys tomorrow.